With Big Seller app, you can check the order details by scanning the shipping label and quickly pick and pack packages according to the order details. Let's start with the operation process. Firstly, please download Big Seller app in your app store. The app is also available in PDA. Secondly, open Big Seller app and click the scan to check order icon in the home page. Scan the package number or tracking number barcode on the shipping label. Then you'll see the order details and can start pickup items. For PDA scanning, do not forget to change the scanner into infrared scanning. Don't forget, we offer free training and demo sessions exclusively for our Big Seller users. Drop your training request, share your info, and let us know what you want to learn. Our customer service will reach out to you promptly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more upgrades and features in Big Seller. See you in the next one.